有迅疾。
抓不了，咱先撤吧。
有情况。
Damn, who knew? All the praise he flew, the things he been through. They got me standing right here talking to you. Got another tab. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever paid. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you're probably ready for the last ride.
提莫队长正在待命。
喂鱼时间到啦！ Come along, where we descend. No, we started. We'll tell you.
是。
First you both go watch your way in the bathroom.